because you can never ever conquer nature. It will always sort of, if not protect as a mother, overwhelm you with its power, because nature is so powerful in its dimensions. For one, when we talk of all those cultures that were pagan cultures or animistic cultures, we find that all the primordial elements of nature, जिसको हम पंच तत्व कहते हैं in Hindu mythology, पृथ्वी, जल, वायु, आकाश and अग्नि, they have all been deified. We have deities in them, so we treat them as divine, part of the cosmological oneness and cosmological consciousness. Because very rightly the Upanishad states, Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande. That is, whatever is there in this pind, this material body, is in the Brahman. We are all bundles of energy of this huge cosmos. And this tree is part of that cosmos. I am a part of the tree. The tree is part of me. The tree feeds me with its fruit. So that fruit becomes an indelible part of my physical composition. I eat it, I ingest it, I digest it, and I get the elixir of life, the blood that flows through your veins. So the tree is in me. It gives me oxygen to breathe, and I give back carbon to it. So we have a symbiotic relationship. So where is the separation in the biotic environment? All of us are innately interconnected. And in our ethos, there was no separation of nature and mankind. This separation comes from the Judeo-Christian ideology, where man is given dominion over nature. In the great chain of being in Christian mythology, man is at the top, and man is given the power to name the creatures beneath him. So he is going to name the fish and the fowl and the trees and whatever, and he is going to dominate. So when from a symbiotic relationship you become the conqueror of nature, then all the problems begin. Like if you try to climb a mountain summit and say, oh, I climbed it, I have conquered the mountain. No. The mountain is within you. You read this beautiful book, Becoming a Mountain by Stephen Alter. He is a neighbor of Ruskin Bond in Lander, Missouri. And there is other book, Wild Himalaya by Stephen Alter. And he is an American who lives in Missouri, and he treks a lot in the Himalayas, and he's written a number of books on Himalayan flora, fauna, rivers, sacred rivers, etc. And I presented a paper on this book, Becoming a Mountain. It's not becoming a mountain, it's becoming with a mountain. You don't become a mountain. A mountain remains a mountain. You remain a human being. But when you say I becoming with a mountain, means आपने उसके साथ तादाद में स्थापित कर दिया. You have become part and parcel of that, and that mountain has become part and parcel of your, being.